Good day and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be checking out Mr. Sam's Tire and Wheel Cleaner. Okay, so as I mentioned, in today's video, we're going to be checking out Mr. Sam's Tire and Wheel Cleaner. If you're wondering who is Mr. Sam's or what are these products, and you've been living under a rock, Mr. Sam works with Cleetus Mcfarland. He has his own line of detailing products. He's been in the detailing industry for a very long time and has his own line of products. I have picked up one of his products in the past, tried it out, really liked it. Saw he had a tire and wheel cleaner, wanted to pick this up, try it out, bring a review to you guys, and we'll see how this product works. I have not used this product, so this will be my first thoughts and impressions using the product for the first time. I will link in the video description down below where you can find this product at for an easy link for you to get to it if this is something that interests you and you want to pick up. So at the end of the video, you can head over to that link and you can find this product very easily. So real quick, we will just get into this product. I will show you the wheels and tires we're going to be cleaning up. The tires are dirty, the wheels are dirty, nothing crazy, but nothing clean either. It's just a nice middle of the road. It's a daily driver, so just normal wear and tear and dirt and buildup on the wheels and tires. One thing I like seeing a lot is right down here at the bottom, this product is made in the USA, so for me, very, very cool. And then real quick, for a little bit of what he has to say about this product. Quickly removes road grime, gel formula, clings to the tire, petroleum distillate free, brightens white letters. Sam's Tire and Wheel Cleaner is formulated for dissolving heavy road grime buildup. Works equally as well on white letters and fender wells. Directions: shake well before using. Clean tire one at a time. Spray on tire, agitate using a medium bristle brush, rinse using a heavy jet of water. When using to clean fender wells, spray entire fender well and agitate with a soft bristle brush or a small wash mitt. Rinse with water. Avoid long contact with polished aluminum wheels. So that is a little bit of what he has to say about this product. We're going to see, is it a gel-like formula? I can see it in here. Sounds a bit thicker, so we'll see how the cleaning power is, because on wheels and tires, I like a product that will clean, so it can sit there. It can help break down any of the grime and buildup on the wheels and tires. We're going to be doing one wheel and tire in the shade, and then the other side, we're going to hop over into direct sunlight. And we're going to do one over there in direct sunlight, wheel and tire as well. So we're going to see how this product works in and out of the sun. Nowhere on here does it state that you should not use this product in direct sunlight or not. For me, I don't have a whole lot of shade or shaded areas to work, so direct sunlight is something that I deal with constantly. So looking for a product that works well in direct sunlight is a huge positive for me. So here's the tire in the shade. I am not going to spray it or rinse it down. We're going to apply this product dry. And then on the side in the sun, I will rinse the tire and then we'll apply the product. But let's see this tire in the shade, how this stuff does and the kind of results that we'll get. So when they said it is a gel-like and it cleans well, as you can see, it is clinging very well to the rim. It is not just running down. Same on the tire. It is cleaned very well on there. Now there's nothing mentioned on here, and it doesn't smell like it is an iron remover or anything like that. So for me, that's fine. I'm not looking for an iron remover, but you're just not going to see any of the bleeding, as some people say, or the color change that you see in iron removers. So this is just a dedicated wheel and tire cleaner. We'll let this sit on here just for a few minutes. We can see that it is not just running off the surface. I really like. I'm going to come in, I'm going to use my brush to get the barrels of the wheel. I have a soft brush to get the spokes, and then I have a tire brush that's a little bit stiffer bristles for the rubber. So letting it sit on there for the dirtiness of the wheels, I think that's a good enough time. As you can see, it is still wet. It hasn't been on there for real long. It's not in direct sunlight, so it's not drying up, but it is staying on the surface. It's doing very well. There's a few spots here, maybe missed a little bit, just re-wet it down. I can see a little bit of browning down in here. We'll see that when I come in and agitate. It foams up nicely. It doesn't really have much of a smell, just a little bit of a cleaner. So it's not like something that smells really good or something that smells really bad. Just a neutral cleaning scent, which is totally fine with me. I do really like how much this product foams up. I like foamier products. I feel that it helps lift the dirt, kind of encapsulate it, keep it off the surface. For me, that's what I like. Do you have to have that? No, you don't. But yeah, overall, very pleased with just seeing how that looks right now. Come in, get around the lug nuts. Luckily, these wheels don't have any areas that are real intricate. You can see the foam on the tires is a darker color, so it is breaking down previous tire dressings, any kind of rubber blooming, and getting the dirt out of the surface. Typically with a tire cleaner, if your foam is dirty like this, you're going to want to hit it again until you have white foam. We're just going to do it once and see how it does. You can see when I was rinsing on the rubber, there was still quite a bit on the rubber, so it was just kind of pulling it out. But it did rinse nicely. I want this wheel and tire to dry. I'm going to leave the video rolling. I'm going to speed it up so you can tell I haven't came in and done anything else. I'm going to get my air dryer out. We will blow dry this wheel and tire so we can get true results, so I'm not wiping any dirt off drying it. Okay, so as you can see, the tire is clean. A little bit of water up here still, but even in the water, it is clean. The rim is clean as well. Looks very nice. It's got all the dirt off, so very easy to use. Very impressed with it. Clean the rim and the tire very effortlessly, very easily. So far, huge win for me. I did notice it was starting to dry up on me a little bit when I was coming in doing agitation, so that's why I mentioned on the side in the sun, I'm going to go ahead and wet the tire and rim down first. Then I'll spray it on, we'll come and do some agitation, but this side, very impressed with. So let's head over to the direct sunlight and do the same thing. So over here in direct sunlight, we'll see how it works. I'm gonna have to do a little bit quicker compared to last time. Basically just get it on the surface and then start agitating right away. I know they mentioned that you can use this in wheel well liners, and seeing how it works on the rubber, I don't have any doubt that it wouldn't work good, actually really good. But I can't demonstrate that because on this Tahoe it has carpet wheel well liners. So unfortunately, I can't show that part. Seeing this in the sun right now, it's drying up a little bit right here, but it's actually hanging on a bit longer than I figured it would. So I do like seeing that. It's a black wheel in direct sunlight. Of course, your working time is going to be much shorter, but I feel that it does have good working time on this product. You can see it is wanting to dry, and I don't really want to let it dry on the rim, so I'm going to come in, I'm going to rinse the rim. I know I did spray the tire down. If I have to reapply on the tire a little bit, I will, but I want to get this rinsed off the rim because I don't want it to dry on. So yes, there is still a little bit of residue. As I mentioned, I'm going to reapply on the tire. And I know I didn't get in the lug nuts. You can see this stuff really breaking down the previous dressing and pulling out all the grime out of this tire. Very, very effectively. Let's get this one dried up and see how it looks. So now that I got this one all dried up, same thing as the one in the shade. Cleaned the rim very, very well. Cleaned the tire and the rubber very well also. So overall, very easy to use, great results. In direct sunlight or in the shade, doesn't really matter. Direct sunlight, you gotta work just a little bit quicker. As you do with any product, I don't feel that it dries any faster than anything else I've used. So it works very well in direct sunlight. I didn't leave any residue behind. There's not any staining or anything weird or out of the unordinary. So overall, very, very pleased and impressed with this product. Okay, so there you have it. There is the review of Mr. Sam's Tire and Wheel Cleaner. For me, product worked awesome. Didn't have any issues with it. We're great in direct sunlight, we're great in the shade. Clean the rubber, clean the wheel. Everything that's stated on here is absolutely correct. It is a gel-like formula. It clings very well, and it also cleans very well. As I mentioned, I'm not able to show cleaning the inner fender wells because the ones on this vehicle are carpet. If they were a plastic, seeing how well this cleans the rubber, it's going to clean the inner fender wells just as well. So overall, everything that's said on this bottle is very true. It works great. It's an awesome option. Plus, it's supporting Mr. Sam. And if you've watched the Cleetus Mcfarland YouTube channel, you know that Mr. Sam is just an awesome, humble guy. He's one of those guys that you would just love to be able to meet one day. Also, another huge thing for me is the Made in USA right there. So very, very cool. For me, great product. I absolutely like it. I will continue using it. So Just an awesome option if it is something that you want to get. But as I said, that is a great product if it's something that you are looking at using. I want to hear from you guys. Is it something that you've used? If it is, drop that in the comment section down below. I'd be curious to know what was your thoughts and opinions on it. How well did it work for you? If this is something that you haven't used, throw that down there as well. Any kind of questions, comments, concerns, anything is greatly appreciated. I always look forward to hearing your guys' comments, thoughts, and opinions. But I want to thank you guys all so much for taking the time out of your day to stop in and check out this video. Hopefully it was informative or helpful or just fun to watch. Remember to smash that thumbs up if you like this video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell, turn on post notifications so you don't miss future content that I'll be uploading. But I will catch you all in the next one, and until then, take care.